Cleaning hard water stains feels like it should work. At first, the surface looks clean and clear, but once the water dries, the stains slowly come back. You scrub harder, you try different cloths and sprays, and for a moment, everything looks perfect, but the improvement never lasts. That's because cleaning only removes what's visible on the surface. It doesn't change what's in the water. In many homes, water contains minerals like calcium and magnesium. When water dries, those minerals stay behind. Over time, they build up as scale on glass, faucets, fixtures, and appliances. So even after cleaning, the process repeats. Fresh water hits the surface, the water evaporates, and new mineral residue forms again. That's why cleaning treats the symptom, not the cause. The real issue starts before the water reaches your shower, inside the plumbing system itself. Some homeowners begin looking upstream at how water behaves as it moves through the home. Instead of focusing only on cleaning surfaces, they focus on reducing how minerals interact with them. The goal isn't spotless perfection, it's less buildup, less cleaning, and better results over time.